So welcome back. So we were discussing about the surfing tips, safe surfing tips, that is what you do in the internet and what you cannot do. So do's we saw in the last session, right? The next thing we are going to see is don'ts. So what you don't, you should not do while surfing on the internet. Okay, do not give your network password to anyone. Passwords are intended to protect your computer and your files. So it may be misused by others. So you should not give your password to anyone. Do not give any personal information such as your addresses, phone number, school's name or your picture to anyone you do not know personally. We discussed this in the last year while in the companion, right? If your personal information or your password has been passed to the unknown person, it may be like a thief can enter into your home, right? And using password, network transaction of your money can also be done. So you should be safe while giving your personal information such as your address, phone number, everything. Do not answer messages that make you feel uncomfortable. Inform your teacher or parents right away. So if you are having any messages from the unknown person, if you are feeling uncomfortable, please say to your elders, that is teachers or parents or your elders. Okay, inform to your teacher or parents right away. Don't click on the ad that pop-ups while surfing. So while you are surfing on the internet, while you are searching on internet, there may be any pop-up images, pop-up ads will come. Don't click on it, just leave it. Don't save your password in public systems. If you are going to any public systems like a internet center, don't save your password there. Okay, because others can misuse it. These are all the things you want to remember while using the internet. What are all the things you should do while using the internet? What are all the things you should not do while using the internet has been given in your tech concepts. Please keep it in your mind. It is for your thing. Okay, it is for your own benefit. For your benefit only. All these have been given. Please, for your future reference, note this all points. Do not give your password. Do not share your phone numbers and pictures, especially in the internet. Don't answer any unknown person. Don't click on the pop-up ads and don't save your password. Okay. So these are all the don'ts we should remember while surfing on the internet. With this, our tech concept is over, but we are going to see the answers for all the book back exercises now. Answer for this first PEP activity. Anyone remember this? I asked you to find this answer for the PEP activity. That we should decode this. Zoya and Zonta are from another planet. They are aliens. They have given some messages. We don't know what it is. You want to decode that. For that, the answer is, first question answer is, what is the name of the closest galaxy to the Milky Way? Answer is Andromeda Galaxy. In their language, Andromeda Galaxy should be written like this. And second question, what is the name of the Earth's moon? It is moon. In their language, it is like this. How can you interpret their code? How you know this? By replacing the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by vowels A, E, I, O, U respectively. 1 is A, 2 is E, 3 is I, 4 is O and 5 is U. By replacing this, we can decode the informations from them and we can send the informations. Is this interesting, right? We can also speak in this language. Yes, we can also try to speak in this language so that nobody knows what is the informations to be shared between us. Isn't it? Yes, I think it is interesting for you in this language of aliens and Zonta. Isn't it? We can go to the next activity. The next activity is you are solving the puzzle. Please write the answer for this puzzle. If it is correct, leave it. If it is wrong, please change the answer. Okay, this is the answer for the puzzle given in activity 2.2. In the activity 2.2, this is the answer given for the puzzle. Pause the video and write the answer. The next question, the next activity. Observe the image of the web page given below and answer the questions. 2.3 activity, look deep. What would be the content given inside the head tag? What is the content? It is contains the title tag defined inside it. What would be the content given inside the title tag? It is the title of the web page, that is tech tip. Please see the book clearly. Here, this is the tech tip. See, this is the title. Okay, this is the title. Okay, this is given in the title. What would be the content given inside body tag? Content of the web page. What would be the purpose of HTML tag? It shows the start and end of the HTML document. Okay, what is the need for HTML? Denotes the start and end of the HTML document. Okay, please write it in your book using the pencil. Pause the video and write the answers for this. We can go into the next one. The next one is observe the web page given below. Write the coding for the web page in the box provided. So this is the program. I said it before itself. So this is the coding for the program. Starting with HTML. Head is iPhone and this is the pre. I said right, pre-formatting tag. How we are writing, likewise it will be. Yes, how you are going to write in the HTML program, likewise the coding will be shown in your HTML page. Okay, in your web page. So this is your program. This is your output for the program which is given here. Please pause the video and write this program. Okay, see, contains the HTML tag. Inside the HTML tag, we are having heading tag. Nothing is there in head. Inside the body, heading of this is iPhone, and inside the paragraph, inside the pre, the thing is written here. Okay, the next one is pep activity. Follow the instructions. I said this, right? In the last page, the title and the sticker is given. Please do it accordingly. Students activity. The next one, we are related to CSS. What is the first one? Cascading style sheet, CSS. I define how the elements of a web page is presented. It is cascading style sheet. I will decide on appearance, style. I take elements as input. Selector, it will be enclosed within curly braces. Declarator. Okay, so cascading style sheet is the first question answer. Second question answer style. Third question selector. And fourth question declaration. Yes. The next question, choose the correct answer. Which tag displays the content exactly? Pre tag. Yes, we saw, right? Which of the following is an empty tag? Break is an empty tag. And head and P is container tag. Which of the correct tag to define a style? Style is the correct tag. Which is the correct declaration? C is the correct declaration where colon and semicolon are given correctly. This is the answer for choose the correct answer. Answer the following. Name some elements that can be used as a selector. Heading element, paragraph element and title element can be used as a selector. This is the answer for this. Name some elements that can be used as a selector. Heading, paragraph and title. The next question. Write down the style for displaying the content of the body in blue and with the right text. This is the answer for this. Body, color is blue, text align is right. This is the answer for your second question. From body, color blue, text align right, inside the curly braces. This is the answer. Third question, answer the following. Write the output for the code. H1 should be the largest, caring should be the next smallest, next loyalty the smallest, courage small from loyalty, humble friendly. This is the answer for your third question. Okay, so project time. We are going to see the project time now. Open a notepad, a new notepad file. I am going to write a project time, creating a homepage HTML program. Okay, so HTML, first line, second line, heading part, third line, title, and title can be adopt me. This is the thing we are going to see in your book. Okay, title. I'm closing the thing, and inside the style we are going to style your H1 with your color. COLOR. Color can be some Rebecca purple, and text align can be center. Okay, you can close your thing, and H3 your color can be medium orchid. Close this. Paragraph color can be crimson. I am going to close the style. Closing my head and closing my head in the program, and inside the body, first H1 is adopt me. Yes, you are going to close the H1, and second in the paragraph, you can align right. Okay, inside the paragraph you can write the adopting pet is a can change that pet life. Okay, break, close this paragraph. In H3 we can have Y to adopt H3 Y to adopt. Okay, close the H3, and you can have paragraph, some guidelines, some points to adoption of pets. You can write it. Okay, here you can write how many points you want. I am closing this paragraph. Okay, and then I am closing the body part. You want to write some points. Okay, it is your own point. Just for your sample I am showing this. So here save this program, not here in your desktop. Okay, like ADOP home page. Yes, right? HOME home.html. Yes, so check it here. 1 second. So this is the answer for the program. See here in the heading tag, H1 Rebecca purple is there, and here your H3 also there. For that also style is medium orchid. Here also medium orchid only is there, right? Medium orchid, and here also your answer for this paragraph also crimson color is there. Okay. So this is your output window. The answer for this is here. So please write this in your book or note. Okay, this is the answer for your project time. Pause the video and write this in your book. Thank you, children.